Hey my peeps, let's make a cute snowman ice cream sundae for Christmas in July. So I got half of a foam ball. I cut that in half. You don't need to use the whole ball. And that little dish is from Dollar Tree. It comes in a 3-pack. And now I'm gonna cover the foam ball in some white clay. And it doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, it's supposed to resemble an ice cream scoop anyway, so you don't really have to be perfect or anything. Then I took a little dental brush and I just put some texture on the snow. And now I'm gonna roll out a log and I'm gonna put that around the base of my scoop so that it looks like, you know, when you make an ice cream scoop, that edge that it has. And I'm just gonna go around the cup. And then I'm gonna get my texturing brush back out and I'm just gonna put some texture on it. And then I'm gonna roll out another ball and put on top because it kind of looked kind of flat. So I'm just gonna put another little ball on top to make the snowman, and then I'm gonna roll out another log and wrap it around that ball. And then I'm gonna texturize it some more. And then we're gonna put on his little features. His mouth, his eyes, his nose, and all I did was get some like little bit of black clay and roll out the tiniest little balls to make the like coal mouth and his eyes. In this case, it could be chocolate chips. If you have any, you can use those. But I'm just gonna, since my little balls were dry because I made them ahead of time, I'm using tacky glue to stick them on. Just a touch of tacky glue. You don't need a lot, just a little dab to get them on there. And then once you get them on there, you can arrange them, because if you can see, I just went straight across, but then you could just move them around to make the little smile. And then I'm gonna put the eyes on. And then I'm gonna get some orange clay and I'm gonna roll out a nose. So basically you're gonna roll it into a ball and then you're gonna roll it into like a teardrop, flatten the bottom out. I got a toothpick and made a little couple of indentations in the carrot to resemble a carrot, and then I just stuck it on him. And then I got a Oreo cookie mold cookie, and I'm just gonna make his hat that way. Then I took a piece of clay and I just rolled it out, and now I'm gonna stick it on top to make his hat. I got these candy canes. These are actually from Hobby Lobby. I got them last year at Christmas time, and I'm just gonna stick them in there for his arms. I probably could have stuck it in a little bit closer. You'll see. I'll just like try to arrange them a little bit better. And you if you use the foam ball, you might need to make a hole beforehand, because if you try to just stuff it in there, it might not stick. Okay, I then got some Mod Podge, you know, the drip mixture with the Mod Podge, the cork, and the paint, and I started putting like a chocolate drip on him, and then I put some drips here and there, which I don't think those little drips here and there really look good. After I did it, I was like, why did I do that? And then the drips on the top of his head, I kind of didn't go all the way around, but in the picture at the end, you'll see that I did go all the way around and like gave him like a fudge under his hat. Gave him that little chocolate drip under his hat. And also, I forgot to put in here a spoon. You can see the spoon in the back right there. So just stick a spoon. You see this fudge on his head? I don't know if that looks cute or not. But anyways, hope you make one. Talk to you soon. Bye.